Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In the previous video, we have successfully did how to add the post data. Now we will write the API endpoint, how to update the post data. For updating the post data, what we need to do, we need to have a put request. So let's try to write the put request. Let's close this one. Yeah, router dot put of here you will be having slash post slash and you'll be having an ID. So you will be getting into this ID means it's not a constant. So it's a placeholder like that. So there it's a dynamic thing. So here you'll be having a request and response. And in this request and response, let's take the post ID is equal to request dot params dot ID. So here whatever the name I am trying to use, the same name you need to use it here. So if I try to use the post ID, I need to have the post ID here. So like this. So it should be same. So we got the post ID and let's updated post. So let's take the updated post and here your ID will be the post ID which you will be having, and the title means you will be getting from the body dot title, and last one is the description which you will get it from the request dot body dot description. That's it. So we got the we got the updated post and now we need to update it in the post data. So that means we need to replace the particular post with the ID if it matches, and we need to replace that entire post with this updated post. So how we can do this one? So same simple. So what I can is first we need to find the post where exactly the position is there. So I can say that post index equal to post dot find index. I can use the find index dot post and I can check with post ID is equal to post ID and post dot ID. So here it should be post dot ID is equal to post ID. So here I will keep it as a string so that we will be getting all the things as a string only. Okay. So now we got the post ID, we got the index. Now I need to replace it. So we can use the splice method. So post dot splice. The splice method will try to add or remove the parts of the data. So here we need to pass the first one is the index where it is located, and from there onwards how many items I need to remove. So first one item and I need to replace that one with the updated post. That's it. Now this has been replaced. So here we can return the response.json, and here I can send message. Oh, where it went? Yeah, here it is. Message post updated successfully. I can send a message. That's it. So now we have updated the post data. Let's try to see it using the postman. So here what I have used, first I got the index of the data and the post splice will add or remove the, so it will change the data. So it will change, the slice is different and splice is different. Slice will return you the array, return you the parts of an array. Splice means it will add or remove the data. So here somewhere you will be having, yeah, removes elements from an array and if necessary inserts new elements in the place, returning the delete items. So here the start item means from where I need to start, the index we need to pass it, and the delete count, how many items I need to delete. Okay, from there onwards I need to remove one item, and items means, so here you need to insert the items. So that is the main thing which I am trying to use. So index means from where I need to start, and how many, from there onwards how many items. So one, so here like this. So fine. So we did it. So the server is running. Let's try to check it in the postman, right? So here I will be having a new HTTP request, and here I can write HTTP slash post slash one. I am taking the ID. Okay, we need to have a put request, not the get or post request, and we need to pass the body. So that is also URL encoded form. So title, so we need to send updated title. Okay, something I have written, right? So okay, we'll check it whether it is working or not. Description updated description. Okay, so we got the title and we got the description, and I am clicking on the send. So now we are able to see that post updated successfully. Now we want to see that, so let's save this one. So save, and here request name is updated post, right? And so okay, fine, let's save it in the post data. Yeah, we got the updated post, we saved it, and let's try to see this one. So if I try to see, we are able to update the same information. I will let's try to do it with the second one. So same thing I will try to update with the second one. Updated post slash 2, and the body is the same thing. So I am changing some description, I'm adding some random data and click on the send. So post updated successfully. Let's try to get the post details. So if I click on the get post details, see this one also got updated. So now we are successfully able to update the data. So now this time we are using the put request. So this is how we will be writing. So right now we are not using the database and all those things. If you have a database, means you can use the query and all those things, we can do it. So this is how we'll be updating. So get and finish, post finished, and here this one is the update post with post ID. So that is the thing. So the last one remaining is the delete request. So let's try to do it in the next video. Hope you understood about this one. So updating the post details, so finding the index and the splice thing. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.